Encouraging children to engage with the natural environment through focused learning is an integral part of Storyhouse's Nature Play program. By interacting with elements like sand, water, plants, and wildlife, children develop sensory awareness, creativity, and problem-solving skills, whilst learning how to look after the environment. Nature Play within the Pathways to School curriculum fosters curiosity and a sense of wonder, allowing children to explore ecosystems, observe seasonal changes, and understand environmental concepts. Participating in Storyhouse curriculum, your child will become a strong, capable, independent, kind, and thoughtful learner, laying a solid foundation for successful academic learning in their life.